Hello, everyone, and welcome for another Amazon DIY from PAS. This is Ruben, the founder and CEO of Professional Amazon Services. And for today, we're going to have an extended video of the original topic that I covered yesterday, which was how to use the Amazon demographic data provided from Brand Analytics to utilize it within your content, your imagery, and most importantly, when you're reaching to the stage where you're able to do Amazon DSP advertising, use that demographics to increase your DSP performance. And what I want to do today, it's more specific. I want to show you an actual use case study on how to use the Amazon demographic data to fix your main title. And I'm going to do that on my own product after certain discoveries were made when I was looking how my product appears on the search results, both on Amazon mobile and Amazon desktop. So stick around. I will show you again real quickly how to get that demographic data idea and how you utilize it for your advantage to fix your title for better conversion. We are back, and this is what started it all. So the Green Lunch Bento is my own product that we launch again, as mentioned. And when I did Kids Lunchbox, we appeared as number one result by sponsored. And then I started reading the a title, what it tells me. So it's a Green Lunch Bento box for kids and adults with 2 compartments. / it's large with straw lunchbox 100 ml. And I paused there for a second and started thinking, if I'm a parent who's buying this lunchbox, which is primarily 95% plus this design for kids, does this give me the information that I'm looking for? For example, as soon as I'm seeing the kids and adults, it already becomes versatile. It goes, so I don't like it anymore. With 2 compartments and large, it describes it. I understand it. It makes sense. But wheat straw lunchbox. What is a wheat straw? Well, the wheat straw is a great material that substitutes plastic. And this is my marketing angle. I hate using a plastic. This is our brand's general angle. And if this is not a stainless steel, which we're primarily focused on, then wheat straw is a great substitute for a plastic. So it's a BPA free. You can see it's cut right there in the middle right here. But again, it does not give me the information of what I want the customers to know and make them to click. And also, I'm gonna say shortly, the main product, the main image itself is gonna go through some changes, but based on this. But this is what prompted. All right, I don't like this. It definitely doesn't resonate me. So what can I do to change it? Well, I'm gonna do what I'm here to break it down for you. I'm gonna use my customer demographic data and the customer avatar that ChatGPT broke down for me to be able to adjust my title based on best SEO practices. All right, so this is the US demographic data report and the master prompt that was submitted and the initial results that it generated based on the key insights. So I'm using the same page to give my next prompt to ChatGPT to start building. And next prompt doesn't have to be something very professional. It came exactly out of my frustration, sharing the screenshot with them, and you can do exactly the same thing and give them your best idea why it doesn't work. And here is how that prompt looked like. All right, so we are here. You can see I share the same screenshots with them, and what I ask is based on the customer demographics, and excuse me my typos, I type quick, I don't really pay attention. I know ChatGPT will fix it for me. I have an Amazon listing for which title on mobile I do not like. For someone who is searching for specifically for kids, adult is extra. It is an instant disappointment for me as a parent. Wheat straw, no one knows what is it, so makes no place that early on the title. And instead of wheat straw, we need something that can replace it with something I want to know: durable, microwavable, and plastic. So, and I'm finalizing it. I don't like the 11 ml. And please use the customer demographic data in order to build a new customer facing title, and that's all it took. So ChatGPT obviously analyzed it, right away gave me the answer. Kids and adults create instant friction. Which throw is meaningless as first impression. 100 ml is not human. And those are the things, exactly the things that I was looking. What demographic tells us to do. So here's the key section. Parent, decision maker, risk averse, focus on safety, durability, buys to avoid future frustration. And based on that, it started giving me options that I can use in real life. And I instantly started loving these answers. Green Lunch Bento Box for kids. It's right there, says it. I would add probably lunchbox here, which I'll show you the final results, what I picked. Large, durable, plastic-free lunchbox, microwave and dishwasher safe. And it goes along to give more and more options and also gives suggestions on what it should do. Another one, Green Lunch Bento for kids, large, durable lunchbox, plastic-free. Want to offer the adults. And a few other sections. So here's some of the tweaks that I did. So I did not take this as a complete face value. Again, I'm the brand owner. I'm looking this product as a consumer as well. So what are the additional tweaks? But I already like this direction, and it completely optimized on my customer demographics. So the final results are I pick, and I will explain why I did that, is the following. The final version, I have chosen the title that is right here. I've just pasted for you guys to see, which is Green Lunch Bento Lunchbox for Kids. Large, 2-compartment, durable, and microwave safe. BPA free with utensils, meal prep container. Color green. Why? I've added lunch because it's an essential keyword that I want to have. But it tells you right away what is it. It's a bento box. It's another huge keyword on Amazon for kids. It's large, it's 2 compartments, it's durable, it's microwave safe, and it's a BPA free. Probably I will think of addition between thinking and doing A/B testing. Another important factor that you guys can do, utilize instead of durable, maybe dishwasher and microwave safe, or instead of 2 large compartments, use large, and then also add the microwave and dishwasher safe, durable. So you can do those A/B tests to see what works for you. But this is a true customer demographic related title that also speaks completely to your SEO and keyword search, because you got to understand, when we did these titles, we didn't do it for out of nowhere. We did this based on keyword research using some of the tools that you may know, DataDive and Helium 10. And there you have it. So that's how optimize your content and your title specifically, not only to catch on important keywords that was given to you by your copywriter or by yourself by use of the aforementioned tools, but also this is designed to work towards a conversion, towards the real people that want to shop, not just the keyword stuffing, but what is important for them. And when you have that customer demographic data for your product, it is that easy to build it very quick and adjust it. And always remember, Amazon backend allows you to have an A/B testing option, which means you don't have to guess. All you need to do, you need to come up with the options, give it to Amazon for A/B testing, and see what the customers actually say. And that's it for today. If you like the video, please like and comment, ask any questions you may have, maybe book a call, be happy to work out a session with you. But other than that, this was it. Thank you very much, and see you for the next time.